Welcome to Ultrasound Reporting Tool. Tutorial number 6. How to save your department name and ultrasound categories to your app. After launching the app, log in as Admin IT. If you have not set up an admin password yet, watch tutorial number 3, How to create an admin password. The link is in the description down below. Go to Table of Contents and select a topic. Select the shopping bag from the bottom menu. If you don't own the app, you will need coins to save the information to your device. If you don't know how to purchase coins, watch tutorial number 2, How to purchase coins. The link is in the description down below. Select the field to enter the name of your institution or medical imaging. Enter the name as you would like to appear on your report or worksheet. Tap Save. Select the field related to breast category. Enter your desired title for breast ultrasound category. Tap Save. Select the field related to thyroid category. Enter your desired title for thyroid ultrasound category. Tap Save. Select the field related to gynecological category. Enter your desired title for gynecological ultrasound category. Tap Save. You have successfully saved the name of your institution and ultrasound categories. All of your other devices will be automatically updated with this information. You no longer need to enter this information while using the app. To protect your saved information, make sure you log out of your admin password by tapping on Unlock icon. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us by email support.